ready.
Hey, taster, could you kindly come and taste this?
Yeah, coming. Oh, I'll help myself, goddess. You take a break for now, cause you have to cook something else, anyways. So you made this for my birthday? That's so nice of you. Oh, goddess is not here, so I'm gonna taste this myself, guys. I like these mung beans as a dessert because I remember having them in Penang, but some people overdo the sugar. This one's just has enough. It's not overly sweet, so it's a good dessert to have. One of my favorite. I think I'm gonna eat the whole thing. So in Malay they call this Bubur Kacang Hijau, which means something, but I won't translate it. So it's got protein in it, which is rare for a dessert. Yeah, I would eat this every day. Sure, it beats a lot of cakes with lots of sugar. Warm. Comfort food, but good for you. Just my style. So I like to have this just au naturel. But Goddess, kind of weird. She has it with bananas, durians. Why spoil a good thing? I wouldn't even put maple syrup on this. Alright folks, so that's going to be it for me. Tomorrow, I'll record Goddess trying it. When it's cold, I should probably be eating it with something weird. Look guys, what did I tell you? Goddess is weird. She's eating this with banana. I have it pure. She's adding an ingredient. It's not necessary.
Well, there's no durian.
Durian? You think they grow on trees or what? How is it? You like it with banana or without? See, I have it plain and simple.
Both.
Perfect the way this is.
But I like it with banana. It's okay. Do you like it cold or do you like it?
I like it both ways.
Well, actually, I prefer it cold, but warm is not so bad either.
So you're gonna have this often?
Well, you know, when you're lazy to cook, this is actually good. It fills you up.
It's a good idea. Oh look, it's all gone. That's all I have left to eat now. Why don't you make more? You know, you can make the red one, the Kacang Merah. Yeah, make that. This one's gone. No more. Tomorrow. You don't have to do it tonight, okay?
See, I told you guys you always eat some of the